Heads up, alert upgraded for Colbert County. Severe thunderstorm watch upgraded to severe thunderstorm warning. Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Colbert, Lauderdale. You now have 12 active threats: Colbert, Cullman, DeKalb, Franklin, and 8 more. As of now, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Colbert, Alabama, Lauderdale, Alabama, Lawrence, Alabama, Limestone, Alabama, Madison Inches, Alabama until about 1:15 p.m. Watch out for hail. Move indoors and stay away from windows. Secure any loose outdoor objects.